Hi guys, just to make a change from picking Euro cylinders, we thought we'd have a little go picking an ABS padlock. Nice chunky padlock. There's the key for it. So the magnet's in the middle. And these are key retaining, which means obviously while it's open you can't get the keys back out. So pop that in the vise. Insert the little magnet insertion jig. Insert the tool. See if I can just get a better angle on this a minute. So we don't really bother to use the tension bars on the ABS because there's very little tension actually needed. So it's just going up and down, feeling for little jumps, little clicks, but hardly any tension. Right, that's the outer pins picked now because you've got a big swing. So we're just going to go and tap the inner pins, and there we go. Lock open. There's no trap pins in a €0.5 as well, so you don't got to worry about that. So that's it locked. Maybe let's get the magnet back out. I mean, the dust covers on these are a little bit awkward. They just get in the way, but it doesn't really stop you doing it. There we are. And there's your key. So that's just another quick vid of the ABS pick with the new improved little magnet insertion tool. Makes picking these locks a breeze. Cheers guys.